Ira, you can switch off your camera better. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we students of Group 4, Ami, Lipsa, Vansh, and myself are going to show you how to make a marble gift wrap.
So friends, now let me tell you what materials are required in making a marbled gift wrapping paper. Shaving cream, food coloring, a spoon and a fork, a shallow pan or plate, but it should be large enough for the paper, and A4 size sheet, but I recommend you that you can cut them into 4 equal parts to reuse them after the experiment, and some paper towels.
So friends, I will tell you how to make a marble gift wrapping. First, we will take some foam shaving cream and put it in the bottom of the plate. Now using a spoon, we will spread. Now we will add food coloring. Now using a toothpick or a fork, we will mix it in a wavy fashion. Now we will put a piece of the paper on the top of the shaving cream. Now we will wait for 30 seconds. Now we will remove the paper from the top. Now we will remove the shaving cream from the top. We will let it. When it's done, the result will come out something like this. These are some sample papers made by me before.
We need to do this very carefully so that the colors don't get mixed. If it curls, ask an adult, iron it wrap with no heat. Now, do you want to know what happens? I put the color into the shaving cream. When I put the color into the shaving cream absorbs the color and transfers it to the paper. This process is called absorption. Absorption is a chemical or physical process where one substance takes in another substance. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed our experiment.
Very well done, children. I saw beautiful gift wraps that you made. Well, tell me, why did you specifically use foam shaving cream to make the gift wrap? Yes, Vansh?
Ma'am, we used the specific foam shaving cream to make the marble gift wrap because it easily absorbs the food coloring, and it is also easy to make a wavy fashion using a fork or a toothpick.
Okay, so you can make some wavy patterns, zigzag patterns on it. Okay, great. Thank you, Vansh.
Okay, now let me ask you something. That in the experiment, you kept on saying absorption and absorption and absorption. So that means you made the colors absorb into another paper, isn't it? You showed that. Now this absorption happens all around us in our daily lives also. Can you give some examples of absorption in our daily lives? Okay, Ami, tell me.
We do it like when we go out to play and then we come back and then we take the handkerchief and wipe it in our face. The handkerchief absorbs the sweat.
Yeah, that's right. Anything else, Lipsa? Yes, Lipsa.
When we clean a wet surface with a dry cloth.
Yes. Sometimes, so many times you spill your milk, your tea, and your mother comes and takes a sponge and wipes it. All these are example of absorption, isn't it? And you're mopping the floor. Every day happens. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We, the members of Group 12, Krisham, Prakriti, Lipika, and myself, Shivam, are going to connect you our experiment, the paper plunge.
For this experiment, we will need a clear glass, a big clear bowl, cold water, and some sheets of tissue paper.
Let me show you how to do this experiment. Take the cup and fill it with rub a sheet of tissue paper. Push the paper into the bottom of the glass so that it cannot fall out. Turn the glass side back and turn the things to now we observe that the water does not enter the glass and the paper towel does not get wet.
Let me tell you, why does this happen? When the glass is lowered in the water, air gets trapped inside the glass because of the water that is pushed up from the below. Air is less dense than the water, so it is able to stay up of the water. The paper towel will not get wet as long as the air is in the glass. Hope you all enjoyed this experiment.
Good morning, children. Very nice experiment.
Good morning,
Yeah,
ma'am.
very nice experiment, children. Children, it was like even in spite you were putting that glass into that water and still your paper towel didn't get wet. Can you just explain to me how like your paper towel didn't get wet? Krishank, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our paper towel does not get wet because the air is present in the glass.
Okay. Shivam, would you like to add to what Krishank said?
The paper towel will not get wet till the air is trapped inside the glass and until the when the air will get out of the glass, the paper towel will get wet.
Why? Why will that happen? If air gets out, what will happen then?
Air is less dense the water, so it is able to stay at the top of the water. So the paper towel, they will not get wet until the air is in the glass.
Okay. So in simple words, can I say this, Shivam, that when the air escapes from the glass, the water will enter and
Yes.
it will wet the towel?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say it that way also, no? Thank you, Krishang and Shivam. Very nicely answered, beta.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
children,
have a question.
Okay, after me, can you ask the question? Can I ask
Sure,
first?
ma'am. Sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, thank you. Well, children, you just explained beautifully that there was air above the water which was preventing the paper from getting wet, right? Can you give me some examples from your daily life where you have seen air occupying space? Yes, Shiva?
Ma'am, in the car tires or cycles, bikes tires,
Okay,
when we
tires.
flush in the washroom,
Okay,
when we blow a balloon.
okay, great. Yes, Krishang, would you like to add something? You were raising hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the straws.
The
Straws.
straw. Okay, you blow air in the straw, but does it? Okay, all right. Prakriti? Yes, Prakriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to add something? You were raising hand, beta.
Ma'am, when musical instruments.
In musical instruments. Okay. So there is air in the musical instrument, there is air in the tires, and children, you all gave nice example of a balloon, and I think you must have seen an air pillow also. Have you seen air pillow people use for traveling? When children go for swimming, those who are learning swimming, they use a tube, right?
Yes,
There
ma'am.
also you fill air. So all these are examples of air occupies space. Okay, thank you. Very well.
Somebody wanted to ask this group a question. Somebody had
Yes,
asked. Yes.
yes, beta, you can ask the question. Who was
Ma'am,
that?
ma'am, the person who told us about the what things we need for the experiment, he said we need cold water. If we do not have cold water in winters mostly, can we take normal water or can we take warm water?
Yes, Prakriti, can you answer that?
Yes, ma'am. We can use warm water also.
Okay, thank you. Does that answer your question, Isa?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you, group, very much. Thank you very much, group. Well done.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Good morning, everybody. We are the member of Group 6, Sanjana, Pabeha, Stuti, and myself, Anushka. We are going to present our experiment, the swimming fish. For this, we need the materials are a pole, water, soap, and a small cardboard piece to make a fish. So let's begin. First, we fill the bowl with water. Then we place the cardboard fish on the surface of water. After this, we release a drop of liquid dish soap just behind the fish tail and watch what happens. We notice that the fish swims away. That was indeed amazing. But
Why did the fish swim away? I think the water on the surface of water are pulled together very tightly. This is a very strong bond when the liquid soap makes contact with the surface of water. The water molecules break. The rest of the water pulls the water that is not bonded away, taking the cardboard fish with it. Try it for yourself. Thank you. I hope you like our experiment.
Ma'am, Sanjana couldn't join because of connectivity problem.
Okay. Thank you, children. That was a very nice experiment that you did, swimming fish. Children, can you tell me? We hear again. You were talking.
I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Shall I ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj?
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
I wanted to ask them. They had just put a drop of liquid behind the tail of the fish, and the fish moved. Why did it happen? Yes, Tuti?
When soap makes contact with the surface of water, this bond between the particles of water breaks. So the rest of the water pulls the water that is not bonded away, taking the cardboard fish with it.
No, so you said so it surface tension. You're talking about surface tension. It breaks. So fish was there. So fish moved because of that. Yes, Tuti? Oh, I can't hear you.
Unmute yourself, Sudhi. Unmute
Yeah.
yourself, beta. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now children, continuing for what Bharti ma'am just said, you have spoken about how the surface tension is uh, like weakened here, okay, with help of soap. Can you just give me some examples of surface tension from your everyday life?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the towel has low surface tension, so it spreads faster.
Yes, that we
Surface
can clearly
tension
see
of
whenever
the
we.
water prevents it from passing through an umbrella.
Okay, Fabiha, you would
Surface
like.
tension of
Would you
surface
like?
tension of soap is less, so it spreads easily and wash clothes nicely.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, children. Well explained. Thank you,
Ma'am,
dear.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Moksh, you want to say something?
Ma'am, can I ask a question from them?
Yes, Moksh, you can.
Yes. So, ma'am, their experiment is about surface tension. So, I want to ask that what causes surface tension on the water?
Yes, Sudhi, can you answer Moksh's question?
Surface tension is caused on the water because of the water particles cling together.
Ma'am, I also want to ask something.
Yes, ask. Please do that.
Ma'am, if we use something else, either of vinegar, we use something else, so will the cardboard piece move ahead?
Okay, they did not use vinegar beta, they used detergent. But yes, they will answer your question. Yes, Suti, can you answer?
The surface tension of water breaks the things like oil, wax, and detergent when it is mixed with it.
Okay, does it answer your question, beta? Who was
Yes.
that? Okay, Adit, that was Adit. Thank you, beta. Thank you, group. Very well done.
Compares, please.
Shali ma'am, I want to say something as
Yes, ma'am.
okay, as all students are here, so I want to say something regarding these recording. So we very soon we are going to upload these recording on YouTube channel. So children, you can do one thing, you can subscribe that channel so easily whenever we will upload, you will get the notification. Okay, and you can watch your videos, your videos or these experiments on YouTube channel also. Very soon we are going to upload on FAST Father AGNEL School NCR YouTube channel.
Thank you, Baljinder ma'am.
Baljinder ma'am, please tell them about the two recordings that have already been uploaded. They all can learn from that.
Yes. We have already uploaded to recording of 15 of March. That was 5th B and 5th E. Uploaded already, and slowly one by one I can upload all these also. So when if you will subscribe that channel, you will get notification and quickly you can go to there and watch the new videos also.
Ma'am, I subscribed, so I got the notification and I know
Good.
that you have
Good.
uploaded the video.
So others can also see. Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Shiza and Sharanya. Sharanya and Shiza, please turn on your camera. The compares. Yes, dear.
I quote Frank Herbert. One learns from books and examples only that certain things can be done. Actual learning requires that you do those things. Today's experience has truly taught us that true knowledge is only attained when you strive to explore beyond the textbooks and unravel the mysteries of the world.
Before we sign off for today, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank Father Carvalho and Ma'am Simi for always encouraging us. We would like to extend our gratitude to our dear teachers who have trained and guided us. Ma'am Bharti, Ma'am Shalini, Ma'am Anjali, Ma'am Mamta, and Ma'am Priyanka. We couldn't have done this without you. We would also like to thank Ma'am Baljinder for the overall technical support. We are also thankful to Ma'am Monica, Ma'am Gunjan, Ma'am Pallavi, Ma'am Shalu, Ma'am Nicole, and Ma'am Jaya for their support. Lastly, we thank the parents for gracing us with their presence. Now, we request you all to kindly rise for the school hymn.
Baljinder ma'am, the video is frozen.
It's going a little fast.
Our task is noble and high.
you all. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, children.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.